This is a quick little video on commercial carpet cleaning in the Buffalo, New York area. And we cover the Buffalo metro area and all of Erie County. And one question that comes up often in office buildings, managers and owners ask is especially with cubicles and offices, but especially the cubicles, is when these chairs roll back and forth, you can see this big dark circle underneath, and people will ask, well, can you clean this? Can you make it look the same as this carpeting over here? And the answer is we can improve it greatly. It's really going to depend on how long that was going on. If it was going on for decades, then definitely not. And the reason is that in commercial carpeting, olefin carpet is very popular, and olefin isn't as resilient as nylon, making them subject to crushing and matting more. So when that chair is rolling back and forth over long periods of time with the weight of a person and the wheels and the black on the wheels, what happens is it's not getting dirty, although it looks dirty. It's actually damage from friction of dragging back and forth. And this can also happen if any kind of equipment or tables are dragged across a carpet. Then if it's olefin, then that's actually a burn mark. My name is Shane Dubell, and our company is Method Clean Solutions, and we service commercial carpet, tile, and furniture cleaning in the Buffalo, New York market. If you want more information, you could reach us at our website at methodclean.com.